Yep, that's right. I'm reporting to you live from the Gulf Coast. It's called the Blizzard of the 2025 Blizzard. uh, it has literally shut down just about everything on the Gulf Coast. Everything. And I'm just like, really? It's maybe 2 inches of snow? Maybe? I mean, I'm surprised it's stuck. But it has literally shut down everything on I-10. All the way from Louisiana to Pensacola. And being said I'm not from here, this ain't shit. But you would think that all these clowns down here like to play in the mud and drive in mud. You would think they would know how to drive in the snow. Oh, that's right. They can't even drive in a clear day, let alone in the fucking snow or rain. It's funny. It's hilarious. It's supposed to be gone here in a little bit. Well, it's supposed to stop snowing anyway. And we'll see how long it stays. The state of emergency of the Gulf Coast.